GPT-3. Playground. Unleash the power of AI. The GPT-3 Playground is an AI tool developed by OpenAI that allows users to generate text based on instructions or presets. It is a versatile tool that can be used for general writing or productivity purposes. One of the key features of the GPT-3 Playground is its ability to generate text that matches the context or pattern provided by the user. This means that you can input an instruction or select a preset, and the API will respond with a completion that attempts to fulfill your request. This can be useful for tasks such as generating blog posts, writing emails, or even creating code snippets. The GPT-3 Playground also allows users to control which model completes their request. This means that you can choose from a range of models to find the one that best suits your needs. This level of customization ensures that you get the most accurate and relevant output for your specific requirements. In terms of pricing, the GPT-3 Playground offers both a free trial and paid plans. The paid plans start from $0.0004 per 1K tokens, making it an affordable option for those who require more extensive usage of the tool. This pricing structure makes the GPT-3 Playground accessible to a wide range of users, from individuals to businesses. The GPT-3 Playground also has a strong online presence, with a verified status on Futurepedia and a good social media presence. This verification gives users confidence in the reliability and credibility of the tool. In addition to the GPT-3 Playground, there are also several alternative AI tools available for those who are looking for similar features. Some of the featured AI tools include Monica 890, which offers streamlined GPT-3 prompt engineering, and Your GPT-33, which provides automated chat support for businesses. These alternatives provide users with a variety of options to choose from based on their specific needs. Overall, the GPT-3 Playground is a powerful AI tool that offers users the ability to generate text based on their instructions or presets. With its customizable models, affordable pricing, and strong online presence, it is a valuable resource for individuals and businesses alike. Whether you're looking to write engaging content or streamline your productivity, the GPT-3 Playground has you covered. For more AI tools reviews, kindly subscribe my channel.